I don't know what to use. Because I can't. Because I'm not for considering be. I don't know what to use. Because I can't. Actually, very long. So let me just hold on with that one. Do be a kebi onka. You be a so many things, but there's one thing I want to do. I just want to apologize to certain people. Few people be. First, to the two ladies involved, Erica and Mina, and to their families, because of the insults, the shame, the attack, the lies, so many things. Namafaka about them, and to a large extent their family. I'm truly sorry. I am truly sorry. Second, and I'm all like if nobody will even talk about you, to even insult you. I'm very, very, very sorry, sir. I mean, these things happen to you. I know it has been a very difficult moment. I'm very, very, very sorry for this. To the families, to the two ladies involved, it was sad. It was sad. Very, very, very sad. Being baby, I don't what kind of baby I see where you see a person who see saying to me, I'm like, really? Like how did they create this? But yeah, because of what kind of saying. The most important thing is to solve the issue. Or Obi Antiase. Nah, so I have nothing to say about anything that anybody said. To be a unfinancial. I wanted to say at the right time I'll talk, but I'm not sure. It's fine. The most important thing is the family. I'm very, very, very sorry for what happened. And to my mom and dad, I'm very, very, very sorry for that. And followers of Zion Felix, people who believe in the Zion Felix brand, people who love me, I'm also sorry for everything that has happened. Yeah, it is normal. It's normal. I'm going to go bono. Normal. We understand this. Things are normal. That's why I didn't say anything. If you're up there, and the critics come forward like, "Tono be asaba." That video will be kasa. I'm like, "What's a free fan?" Yes, normal. Let's say. So me, I'm not angry at nothing. Normal. I could be trouble on price. Now, I'm blown out of proportion. So it is okay. To people who still love me, I still love you. People who got disappointed, I'm sorry. I'm sorry to everybody. Keep supporting Zion Felix. I need you. I love you.